Today's home workout is my 5-minute cardio. So how this is going to work, I'm going to be showing you two options of each move. So you can choose, you might want high impact or low impact. So you just follow along. It's a non-stop, so we're going to get amazing results. I'm also going to include your warm-up, obviously the workout and a cool down. So if you're ready to get super fit in 5 minutes, let's get started. So for the first part, we're just spending 45 seconds. This is just about warming up and preparing your body for the workout ahead. So just follow along. We're going to just start with doing these side taps. Just draw the arms in. And the point of this is just to mobilize and warm your body up for the workout ahead. All right, that's good. And now just give me these shoulder presses and just give me that little bend through the leg as well. Just so we're now mobilizing the knee joints, shoulder joints and elbow joints. And now give me a punch up, give me a little bend as well. Just reach from one side to the other. So this is just preparing us ahead for our 5-minute cardio workout. Nice control. And just give me a few of these big sunshine arms. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. All right, well done. So let's have a look at the workout. I'm just going to show you quickly the first move that we're going to get into. So for this one, what we're going to do, we're going to go straight into star jumps. On the left is high impact. The right option is your low impact. So let's get ready and we're taking that up. So a star jump, you can see the timer bar in the middle. That represents approximately 30 seconds. And just keeping that going. That's good. So nice control. And we're going to do non-stop. So we'll go straight into the next move. Just follow what I'm doing. So you can see we're nearly finished on that first move, doing that star jump. Keep going, land nice and softly with the feet. So for your next move, this time we're doing a double pulse jump and then a little squat. So just follow along if you want the high impact on the left. If you're following me on the right, you're going to do a little squat, then you do a knee drive, and take that squat. Knee drive. All right, that's good. If you're following on the left, doing the high impact, always try and land as softly as you can. So it's double jump and then squat, double jump and squat, and you can do it. So you do a 180-degree turn. All right, let's have a look at the next move. Next one, simply running on the spot, punching arms, or if you're following on the right, low impact, just march and punch those arms. Now, both these are effective, whether you want high or low impact. That's good. And the idea is you can come back, you can do this workout every single day. And one day you might want to do high impact, the next day low. So you can keep choosing. All right, that's good. So it's a quick workout, but it's going to get amazing results because we're not having any rest. And well done. That is that workout done, that exercise done. Now, next one, a skater's lunge. So just follow along, just copy what I'm doing. On the left, you can see we're adding a little bit of a jump. Remember, if you don't want to do the jump, you're just tapping that foot back and really draw those arms across. This one here is great full body. So we are working every single muscle today in this workout, and the most important muscle of all, your heart. All right, keep going so you can see that timer bar. We're nearly at the top. And then we're going to get straight into the next workout. So for the next one, we're doing these pendulum swings, arms crossed in front, and you're just going to step one foot from one side to the other. So you've got the option on the left, the high impact doing the jump, or if you want to on the right. Now you can make it a bit harder by doing these arm exercises. And the nice thing is this is what we call a lateral move. So it's really lovely to work those side muscles. Keeping that going, it's incredible for your waist as well, this one. All right, so next move coming up now, we're going to go really fast feet. So if you're following on the left, I want you to run like crazy. Imagine you're being chased by a big spider. If you're following on the right, this is still low impact. All you're doing is you're alternating, taking one heel up and the other stays on the floor. And just imagine you've got a ladder and you're racing up that ladder. Doing really well. We've nearly finished this workout, so let's just keep going to the end. Keep going. That's good. All right, so next move, we have got jumping knee bends. So just be careful, there might be a cat come flying past in a minute. If you're doing it on the right, you're just doing that as a standing, just knee drive, so you're not adding in the jump. Let's just keep going. There she goes. All right, that's good. Nice control, nearly finished. And the great thing is this is from my 5-minute series, so you could do the cardio. Then if you want to, you can do any of my other 5-minute workouts. All right, well done. So we are nearly finished now, and last move, let's go for it. So this exercise is actually called a spotty dog, never know why, but you can do the option on the left. You are doing it so you've got that jump. On the right, we're just doing it where we are taking out that jump, but it's a full body move. So let's just keep going. This is the last little bit. You have done this non-stop. Really good. You can see that timer bar, nearly finished. Let's keep going to the end. And you are now done. So well done. What I want you to do, it's really important, you either, if you've been doing the high impact, just give me a light jog or just march it out. It's important we don't just stop straight away. We've got to get your heart rate back down. So just keep moving. And what we're going to do as well now is we're going to focus on doing that full body stretch. So just take a deep breath in and deep breath out. So now we're going to do the stretch. So just follow along. It's really important we do this stretch now. We've just worked all your muscles. So just step 1 foot back for me and just have both feet pointing forwards. Just feel that stretch through the back of the lower leg. The point of doing these stretches, what I'm doing is I'm realigning your body. So we're going to make sure we don't get any injuries. This really helps with your posture as well. And just really means you get the best results from your workout. Just feel that stretch through the opposite leg, just taking that foot behind. That's good. And now just coming up and take one leg in front. Hands are on the bent leg, toes are lifted. Feel that stretch running all the way through the back of the upper thigh. And remember, it's always really important. Do always stretch after a workout. And let's take that to the other side. And the great thing is now you're going to have more energy, you've increased your metabolic rate, and you could do this workout first thing in the morning, you could do it at lunchtime, you could do it in the evening. You can kind of create these 5-minute workouts as little micro workouts throughout the day. Let's just do a quadricep stretch, feel that down the front of your thighs. And I've got lots of these. You might want to then go on to quickly do some toning for your arms, your abs, your legs, your glutes. Lots of these and more coming as well. I'll leave the playlist for these right at the end of the video so you can click on any if you want to continue. All right, that's good. And let's now take those arms in front. Feel that lovely stretch through the top of your upper back. And do let me know in the comments down below if you like this and if you want more of these cardio ones or any other specific areas you want me to tone for you and create you a workout. Let's just take that arm up. So we're stretching through the triceps. So just keep following along to what I'm doing. And well done, you have done your workout, you've done a full stretch and you should be feeling amazing. So well done, you did it. There is your high five and I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.